Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create account on Medium. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open our Medium app. Here you can sign up with your Google, Facebook, Apple or email. For now, let me sign up with Google. Now tap on continue. Now here select your Gmail ID. Once you select it, it will open up this kind of interface. Here tap on continue button. Now tap on continue button again. Now here select what are you interested in. Once you're done, tap on next button. Now here tap on next, or you can also follow the particular user. Now you can skip it or enable notification. Now tap on cross. So this is how you can sign up on Medium. So that is it for today. If you like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.